Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. Are you looking to spruce up your outdoor lighting? Then you're gonna love this Dragonfly solar light by ASFSKY. These are by far the cutest lights I've ever had and the easiest to set up. Really, the hardest part was figuring out how I wanted to hang them, but everything else was a breeze. The instructions were clear, the battery was already installed, and it's literally just a 2-button operation. It couldn't get more simple. When it comes to quality, I have no complaints either. Though the dragonflies themselves are made of plastic, it's thick enough that I didn't feel like it would break or fall off. I wasn't particularly gentle with it either, and everything stayed intact. For how small they are, I was also impressed by how bright they were. No matter the lighting conditions, I was able to see them clearly, and they provided a nice soft lighting to my backyard. Just know that it will only come on when it's dark enough, and for me that was around 8:30 p.m., but it will vary depending on where you're located. It was long enough for my project, especially the part that attached to the solar panel. I really appreciated that because it meant I could put it exactly where I needed to get the most sunlight so that I can enjoy the adorableness every single night. I love having unique, fun, but practical lighting, and this did not disappoint. That's my point of view.